Welcome back to another video. So in this video we will learn different methods to show formulas in Excel. In my worksheet there are formulas in column C, E and F, and I want to display all the formulas in this sheet. In this video we will discuss different methods. So first I am going to use the formula command. In the ribbon, go to Formulas tab and click on the Show Formulas button. Now you can see all the formulas in the worksheet will now be visible. To hide all formulas back and show the result in the sheet, click on the Show Formulas button. Now I am going to apply the shortcut method to show all formulas in a sheet. For this, press Ctrl and grave accent key backward to hide all the formulas and show the result in the sheet. Press Ctrl and grave accent key again. Another way to display formulas in a worksheet is by adjusting Excel setting through Excel options. For this, click on File and select Options. Now in the Excel options section, click on Advanced and check this option, Show Formulas in Cells instead of the calculated result, and click OK. Now as you can see, all formulas in the worksheet will now be visible. Another method to show formulas in selected cells is using the Find and Replace feature in Excel. For this, select the range of cells where you want to show formulas. Since I want to show the formula in the column F, so here I select the range. Press Ctrl plus H to open the Find and Replace dialog box, and in the Find What box, enter the equal sign, and in the Replace With box, input a space and the equal sign. Now click the Replace All button and finally click OK. Now a leading space has been added before our formulas in the selected cells. So these are the easy ways to show all formulas in a sheet. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for more informative